Hi, everyone. It's my pleasure to start this Innovation Summit, and it's a great opening, I think, for all this week. Cyber, AI, quantum, and many other things that are in between. I think that technology is such an exciting thing. We live in a world where people live longer, people live much longer life, have better education. We often try to forget this when we think about all the potential implications of these technologies, especially for the cyber people. We have the tendency to think how it could go wrong. But it has some very good things, and we would never go back to the Middle Ages just to avoid all this great technology. It's very important for the world because it's driving all these changes, and I think it's even more important for Israel because this is really the engine behind our economy and our ability to differentiate ourselves in this kind of swamp, small, crowded swamp, but a very exciting place to bring all these things together. And we are very thankful for everyone who woke up early this morning just to hear us. So we will do our best to engage with you. I think that it's important for you, no matter what you do, to understand all the trends in technology. Because if it's a force multiplier, you have to leverage this force multiplier for your kind of future adventures to make sure that you take the efficiency and the implication of this force multiply. But not only that, technology has a tendency to change the things more deeply. Sometimes it takes us a few years to notice how things change due to technology. But we have to watch this because it could be a major driver for what we do, or it could kind of pull the rug below us and kind of take our business away, sometimes even. So today, we will speak about cyber, AI, and obviously quantum. My name is Dorit. I spent more than 30 years in the cyberspace, and I was a C-level at Checkpoint. Today, I'm a Checkpoint Fellow. And now I'm doing quantum in a quantum technology fund, so I think I have a connection to many of the topics here. And I'll be your host for this morning, at least. And I really look forward to hear all the presentations. We will cover anything from the implication of this on investments to how it's going to change our world. And tracking this future is a very important thing of what we need to do. So to get started, I want to invite the one and only Gili Drob-Heistein. She is the executive director of Blavatnik, ICRC. I have to read it because it's very long. And Yuval Ne'eman Workshop for Science, Technology, and Security. But you need to know that Gili is really the heart and soul behind this Cyber Week for many years. And all the Cyber Week team had a dry exercise in June where they created the whole event just to be delayed because of some unfortunate events. So here is the opening of the real thing. Gili, come join us.
Thank you. Thank you, Dorit. Good morning, and welcome to the Innovation Summit, the official opening event of Cyber Week 2025. Woo! Woo! I'm truly excited to see you all here with us today. As last year, this week brings together Cyber Week, AI Week, and Quantum Day, celebrating the incredible range of Israeli innovation. Today, we'll explore these three cutting-edge fields shaping the world of tomorrow. Among our speakers are leading VCs, successful entrepreneurs, and senior partners from across the investment ecosystem. It's no secret that Israel continues to captivate global investors, becoming a true magnet for both local and international interest. The phrase startup nation is not just a slogan, it's a living, breathing reality. The driving engine of Israeli high-tech remains without a doubt cybersecurity. This year alone, we've witnessed several major acquisitions of Israeli companies by global actors. It is perhaps telling that at a time when Israel faces diplomatic challenges on the international stage, the cyber AI and quantum sectors continue to thrive, serving as a lifeline and a powerful growth engine for our entire economy. And I can personally say that I've had the privilege of witnessing this incredible journey unfold, a vision that began with Professor Isaac Ben Israel 16 years ago when he led Israel's National Cyber Initiative. The goal back then was simple and yet groundbreaking: to bring cyber out of the closet, meaning to move it from a strictly military domain into the civilian sphere. That vision proved to be a tremendous success, inspiring similar national efforts across the globe. It was a vision built on courage, optimism, and belief, the same qualities that continue to propel Israel forward as a global cyber powerhouse. The same qualities can be seen in Israeli entrepreneurs, brilliant, bold, and often graduates of elite military technology units. They understand that if you never take risks, you don't make mistakes, but you also won't succeed. Our entrepreneurs are not afraid of failure. They know that true innovation requires strong leadership, teamwork, adaptability, and the ability to pivot in response to real market needs. And now, as we look ahead, the worlds of AI and quantum computing represent the next great frontier. Today, we brought together top experts, investors, and innovators in these fields, and I'm excited to hear their insights and visions for the future. A big thank you to all our partners, sponsors, speakers, and of course our amazing team, especially Liana Rubin, who worked tirelessly to make this event possible. Thank you, Liana. And now, without further ado, I wish us all an inspiring, thought-provoking, and enjoyable day, and a fantastic Cyber Week ahead. Thank you.